Before we dive into tonight's thrilling performances, let us first be guided by the rules that will ensure fairness and transparency in our competition. FYI, alam sa kasayuran sa tanan, tonight's performances from the 6 clusters are likewise a competition. So, at this point, in order to have the standard and parameter to carefully choose a deserving, high-caliber performance, we will proceed to the reading of the mechanics and the criteria for judging. To do the honor, let me call in Kapitri Advisor, Mrs. Jocelyn A. Luna. A big hand, please.
Good evening to each and everyone. Welcome to our magical celebration of imagination, culture, and creativity, Pinoy Fantasy World, where mythical creatures roam, folklore comes to life, and Filipino heritage is reimagined in vibrant fantastical ways. Before we begin our journey through this enchanted event, allow me to present the mechanics and criteria for judging. The guiding skills that will help us ensure a fair and exciting competition for the participants. These mechanics will display how the content will unfold, while the criteria for judging will show how its performance, posture, or presentation will be evaluated based on creativity, relevance to the theme, presentation, and overall impact. So lend your ears as we cover the rules of magical measures that will shape the incredible showcase of Filipino fantasy and folklore. Let us now proceed with the reading of the mechanics and criteria for the judging. Given Carbon District Pinoy Fantasy World 2025 Official Rules, Guidelines, and Mechanics. Participation. Eligibility. Only district employees currently assigned in Carbon District are allowed to participate. Participants limit a maximum of 50 participants per team, including performers and craftsmen. Restriction: students, outsiders, and non-teaching craftsmen are strictly not allowed to join. All participants must be verified teachers under the current district. Performance details, time limit. The main performance must run for a maximum of 5 minutes, and additional 2 minutes is allowed only for entrance and exit, not including entrance scoring. Then content, performance must be aligned with fantasy or folklore themes with a Filipino cultural touch. Content should be appropriate, respectful, and uphold the values of education and community. Safety and costuming. Craft guidelines. Use the flammable materials, sharp objects, or any items that may harm performers or the audience is strictly prohibited. Costume code. Costume must not be vulgar, revealing, or offensive. Attire should always conform to the moral and cultural standards of the ticket and the current district. Technical requirements. Music and ADP submission. All music and audiovisual presentation must be submitted to the technical team on August 19, 2025 at 1 p.m. at current district office. So, late submission may result of technical delay or technical issues not identified. For scoring and penalties, violations and deductions, any violation of the above mentioned rules and guidelines shall result in an automatic deduction of 5 points from the team's total score. Judges' decision: the decision of the Board of Judges is final and unappealable. General reminders: maintain sportsmanship, cooperation, and professional conduct through our competition. All teams are encouraged to promote creativity, collaboration, and Filipino artistry in their presentation. Now, let's have the criteria for Pinoy Fantasy World. We have here creativity and originality. It is 25 points. Uniqueness of the concept and presentation. The inventive use of creative means, legends, treasures, or elements. The original storyline, characters, or world building. 20 points for cultural relevance and authenticity. Incorporation of the Philippine tradition, folklore, mythological creatures. Use of local settings and values. Respectful presentation of Filipino ways. 15 points for the storytelling and plot development. So clear narrative flow from the beginning, conflict, climax, and resolution. So engaging and convincing storyline, and meaningful message or moral. So 20 points for visual and technical execution. Quality of visual costume design, props, effects, if it's applicable. The clarity and creativity in the use of materials, then professionalism or policy execution. 10 points for the performance and delivery, expressions, confidence, and the liberty of characters, stage presence, control, and engagement for the performances, and appropriate use of music, sound effects. Okay, 10 points for the audience impact and engagement. The ability to captivate or insert in the audience, the emotional or the intellectual impact, and the applause, the actions, or interactions for live performances. So a total of 100 points. And now, let's fasten our seatbelts and enjoy the rest of the night in this magical celebration of talent, unity, and Pinoy fantasy. Let's make this evening unforgettable. Thank you and God bless us all.
Thank you so much, Ma'am Jocelyn Lota. Fun at kalain-laing mga pasundaya at mga higala, gikan sa Olongka Cluster, gihandaman, gihaguman sa ato ang mga teacher performers. And it is only right and fitting to have set of experts to determine the rightful winners. And to introduce our panel of adjudicators for tonight, let's hear it for the Bapestri advisor. Let's put our hands together for Mr. June Matthew B.